Hi everybody, Doug again, opening up the next Loot Crate, the one for November 2015. In case you don't know what Loot Crate is, it is a monthly subscription service where for a certain amount of money every month they will send you a box of curated nerdy items, quite often with some exclusives in it. I'll put a link in the video description in case you're interested in checking it out. They have a monthly theme, and this month's theme is combat. And we'll see if we get hurt opening this. I'm not entirely certain what that is. It seems to be it's Shredder shades. So you can wear sunglasses and look like Shredder from Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. Yes, really. Also comes with the, in that bag they have the pin. Every month they have a themed pin. It says Combat, November 2015. I'm not sure if I'll ever wear these. Well, I might for 2 or 3 minutes, and then possibly give them to someone else, because I'd be embarrassed. Alright, we have a Hunger Games item. It's a pin of the Mockingjay. So that's kind of cool. It's properly, Lynn says yay, because she likes Hunger Games. Well, I mean, I enjoy them too. Alright, so another pin to wear at some point. From Blizzard, the people who give us World of Warcraft and StarCraft, and Cute But Deadly Series 1 figures. Alright, let's just open it up and see what the Cute But Deadly figure is. Right, another layer. There. Okay, good. They have a spot where I can just tear it open. Yep, it's a Murloc. Those guys. And a little stand to put it on, which I'll do later on. But yeah, those crazy, wacky little Murlocs that are everywhere you go in Warcraft. To go with the Cute and Deadly, it looks like we have some, Cute and Deadly magnets. Warcraft symbol, StarCraft symbol, and I don't know symbol. I would argue the cute on some of them, but I'm sure they're all deadly. And to commemorate the release of Fallout 4, Vault number 111, a Vault Boy bobblehead. Which I cannot open because it's well sealed. Oh, wait, getting there. There. The Fallout universe is great fun to play in, and now I have an official Vault Tech bobblehead. Yep, here it is, bobbling. Bobbling? Is that what bobbleheads do? I guess they bobble. That'll go on the neat stuff shelf that we have on the wall. Then we got the Gift of Geek. Oh, I see. They've given us some gift tags in case we want to re-gift some of the Loot Crate stuff to people who might be more interested in some of the franchises. That's cool. A comic book. Street Fighter, Hyper Looting. I don't play Street Fighter, mostly because I pretty much suck at it. But yeah, I'll probably give this a read. Loot Crate exclusive. I expect lots of these are. And finally, it comes with the monthly magazine, which has a series of articles to do with the combat theme, video game rivalries, so on and so forth, as well as a listing of all the things you get, in case you're not familiar with the franchise. Sort of thing. And yes, and then finally the box. There's almost always a box, something inside the box that you can do with. And it looks like it's a beat up street in the middle of nowhere, possibly so you can street fight, like a Street Fighter. Baby Murloc versus Bobblehead.
What, no t-shirt?
I'm not into... I guess that's next month.
Okay.
Not sure who would win this fight, especially since they're both made out of plastic. Alright, so we'll see you again next month. Again, I'll put a link to Loot Crate in the video description in case you want to check out and get your own copy of all this neat stuff. And we'll see you later.